It's the holidays.
Hey, does anyone know what they're getting Splinter?
I made him this mug.
Oh my God!
Yeah, maybe don't give him that.
Hey,
Here,
rude.
I'll just ask ChatGPT. What does a rat dad want? Huh? Laser hair removal.
Yeah, good one, ChatGPT.
All right, don't blame AI. It's only as good as its prompts.
Wait, guys, what is that?
Uh-oh, KROM is attacking the city on Tubular!
I love destruction.
Watch out, baddies! Here comes the radical reptile!
Is that supposed to be us?
Wow, Danny.
And Mark.
Does my head look like a raisin to you guys?
Why do I have so many fingers?
Speak for yourself. I look awesome.
Uppercut, uppercut. Toward
What? They stole my move!
Toy does not live.
We're all about bashing baddies and eating cheeseburgers.
Authentic Imitations Toy Company, Newark, New Jersey.
This can't be a coincidence, right?
If someone is making money off this, it should be us.
I can't believe I'm about to say this, but we're going to Jersey.